Hi, I'm Jay, and here we have a Trion CB100 fan-powered humidifier. There are various versions of the fan-powered humidifier, and they all kind of look the same and work the same. Okay, so one of the problems that people run into now and then is water won't shut off. So right now they have a situation where there's water running down the drain and they can't figure out why, so that's what we're going to talk about today. So what we're going to do is we're going to look here, and we have to see that we have water running down the drain right now, and we're going to turn the power off to the humidifier. So we're going to unplug the humidifier. That's this cord here. We're going to kill the power to the furnace. We're going to make sure all the power is turned off, and then we're going to wait a couple of minutes, and if there's still water running down this drain, then the problem is very simple. There's a solenoid valve right here, and it is stuck open. So we have water running down the drain right now, and we have the humidifier unplugged. We also have the power turned off to the furnace. So there's no electricity going to this unit right now, and still we have water running down this drain. So that is a fairly common problem, and what it means is the solenoid valve that's right up inside of here is stuck open. There's no electricity going to it right now, and it's still running water through it, so that valve is bad and needs to be replaced. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.